Hi, in this short video, we will discuss people's biggest fear and try to find out whether we have any solution for them or not. The first fear is loving someone without being loved in return. The second fear is searching for friends and not finding any. And the third fear is saying something and not being understood. There is no solution to the first two fears, but we have a solution for the third. For the third fear, there is at least a principle. British philosopher Paul Grice dedicated his life to this problem and in 1975 formulated the so-called cooperative principle, which is a basic rule for effective communication. Grice says, make your conversational contribution such as is required at the stage at which it occurs by the accepted purpose or direction of the talk exchange in which you are engaged. According to Grice, speaker and listener want to and have to behave cooperatively. This means that one person wants to be understood, the other to understand. Grice proposed 4 conversational maxims. Number 1, maxim of quantity. Say enough for your counterpart to understand, but don't say too much or you will cause confusion. Number 2, maxim of quality. Tell the truth. Don't speculate. Don't dupe the person into believing something different. Number 3, maxim of relevance. Don't say anything irrelevant. Don't change the subject. Number 4, maxim of manner. Avoid ambiguity, vagueness, verbosity, and volatility, and stick to a logical argument. If we follow these maxims, then we will be understood. But we can violate the maxims without being noticed. That is called lying. We can violate the maxims deliberately by saying something else, but expecting the listener to understand the message correctly. That is called flouting. We can refrain from cooperation. That is called opting out. But if we want to be understood, only say what is true and important and express it clearly and simply. We will discuss other such concepts in the next video. Thank you for watching.